talk to you about the team's performance today. How do you feel Kingston College performed in today's game?
Performance wasn't the best, but we did what you have to do and we come out to a goal and give thanks for that.
Were you a part of the first game that KC played against Hydel?
No.
So how did you approach this game? Knowing that you missed that one, KC last time they obviously getting the 2 points after. How did you approach this game?
We just take it as a normal game to just go to the next round, and coach always tell we just do what we have to do and we will get a good result.
What's your assessment of your performance today?
My performance was good. We did have to switch to a different position because of substitute and still do go there and do my best.
When you were going to score that goal and you see the keeper come out, what came to your mind?
Nothing really come to my mind still. Coach always tell me if we just follow. Don't run in front of the ball, just follow. So if anything, any rebound or nothing, I always did it.
How do you feel about the quality of your team? You're obviously one of the players. Tell me about the team, realistically. How do you feel about the players?
Players them good and everything. We just have to be together all the time. Coach always tell me be your brother's keeper and everything will be alright.
How far will you guys take it in this year's competition?
Final. Trophy.
Final.
Trophy.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.